Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Road King. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 29,107 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There is a tear in the seam on the rider's seat. This bike has an owner's manual and one key. It comes equipped with keyless ignition and has been upgraded with an electric glide style fairing, passing lamps, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, smoke front turn signals, Harley-Davidson grips, an open stage 1 intake, aftermarket mufflers, chrome rider and passenger floorboard covers, a color matched tour pack, docking hardware, extended saddlebags, saddlebag guard rails, shift levers, smoke fender lamps, an infinity stereo, and aftermarket upper fairing speakers. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, though additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.